Hello friends, welcome to Namaste English. Friends, today we have brought very interesting story. The farmer and the donkey. So let's start the story. Friends, once upon a time there was a farmer. He had an ox, a horse and the donkey who served him. One day the ox told the farmer, "Master, you have a tractor now. You don't need me for ploughing. Please let me go so I can spend my last days in the forest." The farmer let him go. Then the horse said to him, "You don't need me either, as you have a car now. Please let me also go with the ox." The farmer got agreed and gave them permission to go. Now, seeing the ox and horse going back to the forest, the donkey also wanted to go, but did not know what to tell the farmer. Suddenly, the donkey got an idea. The donkey came to his master and said, "If ox goes, you will have to plough the field with tractor. When the horse goes, you will have to drive the car. So when all the burden has to be carried by you, then you don't need me as well. So let me also go, please." The master was impressed with the donkey's smart answer. That is why he got agreed and he freed all the three of them. The moral of the story is intelligence is always appreciated. Thank you for listening to this story.